Today I'm going to read this book called Noise by Joel Colley, illustration by astro Marty Joseph Mickey. Noise, written by Joel Colley, illustration by Noise. Julie has the radio off. Brent has the stereo off.
No.
Jason has the video off. Don't stop that. Don't stop that noise. Oh, he went the radio. Oh, he went the stereo. Oh, he went the video. That's better than mom. Don't listen. What can't you hear? Everything, said you. Everything, said that. Everything, said Jason. Don't listen, said Mom. I can't hear cars, said Julie. I can't hear a saw, said Brent. I cannot hear an ambulance, said Jason. Don't keep listening, said Mom. They didn't listen and they did not listen. I don't hear wires, said Julie. I don't hear birds, said Brent. And I don't hear a bumblebee, said Jason. They did not listen for a long time. Then off went the stereo. Off went the stereo. Off went the video, and off went the radio. Families. Level 1. I love my family. My home. Our street. I have a home account, Mom, Mr. Gum. We're about to see along comes Jay. Be careful, Matthew. Noise, carrots, peas, and beans. Dead Teddy, the roller coaster, Red Sox, the Yellow Sox, Tommy Egg, Cowboy Jack, Quack, Quack, Quack. This is your mother, Miss Brandt's birthday, Sunshine Books, and Mafia Wars.
And then